In this video for appraisers, we're going to talk about getting to the market conditions addendum with some comps that you found in a comp search. So I have a search screen with some criteria in here for a comp search that I'm going to need to do for around a subject property. So I'm using the residential class as an example. They all work the same way. I have a status setup of active, sold, and pending, single family, price range, bed and bath, and I've also done a radius search around my subject property to find my comps. I've drawn a radius and brought up my comps within this radius using this radius search tool right here and this address tool right here, or just pan the map and draw your circle around the area where you know your subject property is located. So we have our criteria in. I have 21 results. I'll go search now. And so those 21 listings come up on my screen in a report, in this case the spreadsheet, which is usually the default. I can sort the status, get all the statuses together that I might want, actives, pending, and solds. I can double click and look at these on any other type of report, maybe a full report, or maybe even some other reports that I'm used to looking at, all fields detail possibly. Back to the spreadsheet. Now, the idea is that you're going to grab whatever listings you need for this comp, maybe all of them, maybe only some of them, select the ones that you want, whether it's from a spreadsheet report here or from some of the other reports where you're getting more information, more data about that particular set of listings. And so you have these listings then selected. Once we have our listings selected, we move up here to the top right and we're going to click on Reports. So we click on the reports for the report tree. It opens up the tree of reports and we're going to come down to the Specialty Views branch, this folder right here, Specialty Views. We click on it and we scroll down a little bit and we find the Market Conditions Addendum. So we click on it and it's going to bring up our options here. I have 9 listings out of the 21 that I found in my original search. I'm going to use these 9 towards my report. The selected date means I can set a date out for next week if that's when the report is due, and or add the checkbox here to include the summary of the listings and the criteria that got me those listings. We click Generate Report. So it takes those 9 listings, builds them into the report. Up at the very top, there's our search criteria, then the report itself, and then our listings down below. If we need to export those into an Excel spreadsheet, we're going to click on the Export to XLS, which is the Excel spreadsheet. We click on it, and it's going to take a download to my browser of the data, which I brought it in my case on the browser I'm using down in the lower left corner. I click on it, and it then takes my information right into the Excel spreadsheet where now it's outside of Paragon. I can use it however I need to. Minimize that and we're back to Paragon. I would recommend too that the appraisers drag and drop the market conditions addendum up into your favorites so that it's at the top of the list of the tree and not down here towards the bottom in the specialty views. So you have the market conditions addendum right up here in the favorites. Thanks for watching.